Good day to all of you. Hope you already know the content. Today I start front end development. Welcome to all in electro4u.in because it is a website or YouTube channel also to make you increasing your day by day. So today I start front end development with HTML, JS and CSS. Hope you know that basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I start from basic and further I increase day by day, step by step I will make you developer. So first we make a introduction part. Today I will start only introduction part. So please who are not subscribed till now, please subscribe, like or share. So without investing any time, let's get started. Today so the front end development course. So basically you know this, what is front end. Front end means what I see in our website. Okay, so it is basically making by HTML, CSS, JavaScript and further those things. So today in this course we will learn HTML, CSS or JavaScript. So front end development help to produce emerging user experience on the web and in apps through the use HTML, CSS and JavaScript, as well as a constantly changing battery of tools and programming languages. So first of all, who am I? My name is Saurabh Chatterjee and I am a front-end developer and designer also. I am also in one of the faculty of electro4u.in. So now what is the agenda? Means today what I on this lecture, on this video, what I discuss about those things. First, make a definition of developer. Who are the developer? Then difference of developer and designer. Then difference of front-end development and back-end developer. Next, what is the elements of front-end, and next how website work. Next installation. Then conclusion. So without investing any time, please share, like or subscribe who are not subscribed till now. Because in this lecture anything you know, I think you are the basics, you are the fresher or you are the newcomers of the front-end developer, because you are coming through the YouTube site. I think you are luckily because it is free of cost, and anything have you any problem, please doing comments on my or any problem, please mail me. I share my mail address in my description. So first, what is the definition of developer? So definition of developer, basically you know that what is a develop means a person or thing that develop or innovative, means these things are did not till now have. Okay, we developers. So what is the actual meaning of definition of developer? Actually they are making software or website for customer choice. Like we know the SDLC, right? Software development life cycle. How software develop? Okay, first analyzing the user requirements, means customer requirements. Then design a new software or website. Okay, so how design? By coding, testing or implementing. Okay, then next testing or develop that and share to a user. After share the user take the user comments. It is okay for that or not? Any problem of that or not? Okay, that is a developer. What is the main thing of developer means develop a new things to further user or end user. Okay, next we come what is web designer, what is web developer, what is the difference of that? So basically we know that what is design means a visual effect or graphics effect to what we see now with our eye, that is called design. A web designer also same, is a graphic designer artist who is responsible for designing the layout, usability and visual appearance of a website. A successful web designer must possess an array of creative, graphic and technical skill. Web designer, as an example, we make a if I make a drawing. Okay, we see the only drawing picture, but we don't know how color is coming, who making the color, which color making from which product. This color is one type of developer. So what is web developer? Web developer is someone who builds and maintains the core structure of a website, means server, database connectivity, application. Those are the developer to develop web. Okay. Next we come, what is the basic meaning of designer? Designer is the sense in IT field. Without HTML, CSS or designing part knowledge, without this knowledge, designer did not design anything. Understanding the principle of website design and web accessibility. So, without understanding the principle of website design or web accessibility standard, we cannot design anything. So, who are the designer? Responsive for interaction design, conversion rate of optimization, user journey mapping. What is the mapping? So, in a Google map, we know the location from what we are going. Okay, from my location to another location by seeing with my our eyes. Okay, this is also a journey map. Okay, that is also a design, wireframing and prototyping, branding, color theory. So without knowledge of color theory we cannot design anything. Okay, and what is the web designer is they have a varied set of tasks and responsibilities. However, a designer roles revolves around the creating the layout and visual aspects of a website. So next I come developer. So what is the mean of developer? Already I tell you the what is the definition of developer. So how to make a developer? So a web developer is a primary job to build and maintain the core structure of a website. Okay. So with this structure to make the coding and some concept by designing knowledge, JavaScript framework like jQuery, SQL knowledge like standard query language. Okay, then testing or debugging, backend and database connectivity. So with those, without those knowledge, you can't make a developer. Okay, so what is the main responsibility of developer? Their role involves a lot of technical work like coding. Already I told that. Complex coding, not only coding, complex coding, simple coding also, advanced programming knowledge and advanced programming language like Ruby, Perl, Python, Java and those languages there. In a nutshell, they take the ideas and concept laid out the designer and turn them into real and live world. So we know the web design. Okay, so on this web design I don't know how web designer means how backend is work. So let's take an example. If in a ATM machine or in a calculator we calculate the sum or take money from the ATM but we don't know how ATM is working. Okay, how calculator is working, but without the developing or backend knowledge, calculator is not, I think, don't work, right? So again ATM also not work. Sometime we saw that some ATM is fault or error. That time what we do? Call to branch manager or branch. Okay, and in calculator sometime calculator is not working. What is the process? Remove the battery and again enter a new battery, then it is working. So this is the developing process. So next we come, what is front end developer? Front end developer is a work, so what we saw the visual effect, okay, with our eye. Front end refers to the user interface. User interface in the sense, what interface means, why we enter by face to face. We saw the website or any design like calculator. We saw the 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, and but I don't know how 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That is also a front end developer. Web designer, we saw some HTML CSS layout like one is navbar, one is division, but I don't know how those are working. Some libraries there now, so to support this division, this navbar. So without the support of library, those are not working. So who are supporting? Those are the backend developer. What is the backend developer? Backend means the server, application and database. Backend developer builds the infrastructure, means in our college we saw the picture of our college in website and advertisement, but I don't know on this college how much tables are there, how many boards are there, how many faculty are there. Those are the backend. Backend means if you play a game, okay, play play a game, we know the face, okay, but I don't know the on this face behind them how many peoples are there. Those are the backend. Back means behind them, okay. Elements of front end. Basically, without three knowledge, front end developer is not working. So those are HTML means hypertext markup language. Next is CSS, cascading style sheet, and JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language. It's a so front end developer is responsible for coding and mockup design for the web design. Leverage several program languages. A front-end developer will implement the site layout, visual elements, and interactivity. So, what is the need of to make a front-end? Front-end is fluency HTML, CSS, JavaScript language. Means without those fluency, these three languages, we can't do any website. So, knowledge of CSS and JavaScript framework, and they some key components are there. Maximum user know the basic CSS, basic JavaScript, but after one or three website they are doing wrong, right? This CSS not work, how to space of some division, how to change the color, how to click on mouse over, on mouse click. Those CSS framework maximum user don't know. So on this, in this lecture I told you step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe, because without subscription you don't know how my video is coming, okay. So without ability to leverage CSS, pre-processing is like Sass, Lace, or Stylist, okay. Handling the version control software like Git, using frameworks such as React to build powerful and modular application, okay. So anything you can, if you have some doubt, please comment me. Without you comment, I don't know how I resolve your problem, okay. So please comment me if any problem. I will make another video to of their problems, okay. So basically we know the website, browser, but we don't know how website work. So on this website we saw some pages, like web pages of some maximum of codes, and those codes describe the layout, format, content on a page, okay. So take a book, okay. So book means one website, and on this book those pages are web pages, and those code lines means word of lines, sentences are told as codes, layout, format, content of a page. And web server, what is web server? So is a internet connected, if our system is internet connected computer that receives the request from a web page sent by your browser. So we have browser like Chrome, Firefox, and lots of browser are there. So when we search anything, like if you search how website work, this question go to the web server. This web server, what is web server? Without internet connected web service not work. Server means one setup that searching your question, okay. Because why we see the website, web server, browser. So these three as a basic of website, okay. Without these basic three, website is not working. So browser is the platform so to search anything, like it's a connect to computer, and these computers connect to server, and server connect to the website through IP address. But IP address is obtained by some domain name. IP address means internet protocol. So if you don't know what is internet protocol, please comment me. If any problem, I will make another video with internet protocol, okay. So in other words, in order to display your website on the internet, you will need some elements. What is the some element? One website, okay. Website means if facebook.com, www.facebook.com, it is a website. Some domain name is there. Without domain name, Facebook is not working. What is the server? Server means where all data are saved, okay. That's also called database. So now install. So I think you are making HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So basically, if you have 4 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 2 GB graphics. So for installation, you go to the any browser like Firefox or Chrome. Search Sublime Test. It is a basic feature because Sublime Test is very good. I already downloaded, but I will show you how to download. Okay, so go to Sublime Test download. Go to Sublime Test. There is a many versions are there. Sublime Text 2, Sublime Text 3.2, and those versions are there. So we can see that some Sublime Text option is there. One is OS X, second is Windows S, then Windows 64-bit, and it is Linux. So how much you have? Oh, I have 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, you can download here. Portable version means all Windows it can possible to download. Okay, you can see here many versions are there. So what you want? So go to the website 64-bit. So now it is option to install. If you want to install, please save it, and it is downloading. But I already download. So please download Sublime Test 3. Okay, same many features are there. So if you want to download it, or because in Sublime Test I will show you what is Sublime Test. So if you make a simple HTML page, ss.html, it help you to simple coding. Only type HTML and tab, then all features is come. Okay, without investing any time, Sublime Test help you to making further coding. Okay, that's why I'll tell you install Sublime Test. Okay, then control save. Okay, afterwards I'll show you how Sublime Test work or not. Okay, so that is the Sublime basic installation of JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Further, if you want any installation, I will tell you. So for now, I only install Sublime Test. Okay. Section I will tell you. For further lecture, I will tell you how HTML is working step by step. We going for advanced section. On this first, make some normal website or normal HTML content. Afterwards, I will give you some assignments. Please doing some please complete that and send to my mail address. I will show you and tell you it is okay or not. Okay, after complete HTML, then going for CSS. Okay, same CSS also. Without HTML knowledge, CSS is not working, and without CSS knowledge, HTML is not working. For further knowledge, I will tell you what is HTML, what is the difference about CSS, what is the use of JavaScript. So for this lecture, I think you are okay for me. If you any problem, please comment me in my comment box. I will share my mail address in description. If you any problem, please share your valuable comments in my mail also and comment also. If any problem in this lecture, please tell me also. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.